Middleweight cruiser motorcycles, Kawasaki W800 review, retro style cruiser or roadster? Kawasaki W800, middleweight cruiser motorcycles, retro style motorcycle, classic roadster, beginner friendly cruiser, budget conscious riders, custom potential, YouTube motorcycle reviews. The Kawasaki W800 stands as one of the most authentic tributes to vintage motorcycling in today's market. Sitting comfortably in the middleweight cruiser motorcycles category, it blends retro-style motorcycle aesthetics with modern engineering. With its air-cooled parallel twin engine, timeless detailing, and flexible ergonomics, the W800 offers riders the freedom to experience both a classic roadster and a laid-back cruiser in one package. For beginner-friendly cruiser seekers and budget-conscious riders, the W800 has become a standout option, further boosted by its popularity in YouTube motorcycle reviews and custom culture. Retro style with modern engineering. At first glance, the W800 looks like it could have rolled straight out of the 1960s. Wire-spoke wheels, a teardrop tank, and round headlamp pay homage to Kawasaki's original W-Series motorcycles. But beneath its nostalgic looks, the W800 packs a dependable 773 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with modern fuel injection, disc brakes with ABS, and refined suspension tuning. This fusion of old-school design and new technology makes the W800 a versatile choice for riders who want history-inspired styling without sacrificing reliability. Cruiser or roadster? One of the W800's most unique qualities is its dual character. On one hand, it functions as a retro-style cruiser, with relaxed ergonomics, low-end torque, and a smooth ride ideal for weekend leisure trips. On the other, its upright seating, nimble handling, and predictable throttle response give it the feel of a classic roadster, suitable for urban commuting and spirited backroad rides. This dual identity makes the W800 attractive to a broad spectrum of riders. Custom potential and creative expression. The W800's minimalist styling also makes it a favorite in the customization scene. Enthusiasts have transformed it into cafe racers, scramblers, and brat-style builds, leveraging its clean lines and vintage base. Its custom potential is celebrated by workshops around the world, many of which showcase their work on social platforms and video reviews. This adaptability ensures the W800 remains relevant, not only as a stock machine but also as a blank canvas for creativity. YouTube achievements and global popularity. On YouTube motorcycle reviews, the Kawasaki W800 continues to achieve strong engagement. Content creators regularly praise its smoothness, retro charm, and everyday usability, generating hundreds of thousands of views. Custom build projects featuring the W800 often rack up millions of views, inspiring writers globally to explore its versatility. One of the biggest achievements on YouTube has been the way W800 content bridges generations. Older riders see it as a reminder of the bikes they once rode, while younger audiences discover it as a stylish, modern retro machine that is accessible and practical. This cross-generational appeal has helped cement the W800's reputation as a global icon in the retro motorcycle scene. Conclusion. The Kawasaki W800 is much more than just another entry in the middleweight cruiser motorcycles class. It's a machine that captures the elegance of a bygone era while offering the comfort, safety, and dependability expected of modern motorcycles. Whether seen as a retro-style cruiser or a classic roadster, the W800 has carved out a unique space for itself, supported by strong community presence and YouTube motorcycle reviews that celebrate its enduring charm and adaptability.